So what's up, presenting you free courses and certificates from Google, AdWords, Analytics, Amazon Web Services and HubSpot. Why should I do this certificate course? You may obviously do have a question on that. The reason is it's free, adds to your resume and adds your knowledge. First one, Google Ad. You can do 5 certification, that is search, display, video, shopping and measurement. Website is given here. First one, master your Google tools you use at the work, free of online training. Okay, first one is Google App. Grow your business through the ad advertising the marketplace. Okay, second one, Google Marketing Platform. Discover how the marketing platform helps you. Okay, Analytics Academy. Learn Google measurement tools to Google My Business. Discover how your business profile is and maintain and attract the customer authenticity. Google Ad Manager. Google Ad Manager ad manages and revenue to your ads. Google Ad Mob. Grow your revenue and manage your integrity with your ad. Google Ad Mob. Authorized buyers. By how the authorized buyer program can help you to reach out the Google Ad Mob. Ways. Discover how you turn your location into the destination with the power of Waze ads. Concluding that the website is provided in the picture www.skillshare.google.com. Also, you will be getting the knowledge on various platforms. Well, Skillshare provides the certification on digital marketing and so on. Moving on to the Google Analytics certification, you can do the Google Analytics individual qualification from the Google, which is available under the Analytics Academy. Okay, Google Analytics for beginners. Starting is number 1. Advanced Google Analytics course you will be getting. Good Analytics for beginners. Learn the basic features of Google Analytics. Google Analytics for power user. This is a highly individual course recommended. Google started with the Google Analytics 360. It is a complete platform of the Google Ads. Introduction to the Data Studio. It is a basic that anyone can do about it. Okay, Google Tags Manager fundamental. Manages your tags and marketers analyze and develop. So this Google Analytics program also do provide you free certification and online training till the period of this coronavirus and lockdown. So better to apply and get some knowledge regarding it, and you will be also getting the free certification here. Next one is HubSpot certification. You can do the 3 certification from the HubSpot, that is inbound marketing, content marketing and email marketing. That is a very good in digital marketing. HubSpot marketing software, inbound sales, HubSpot sales service. Okay, content marketing, inbound marketing is detailed explained here. 4 to 12 hours social media marketing strategy certificate course is the best. Frictionless sales, it's not that good. Except the frictionless sales, all the content and all the courses are very good with great knowledge and free certification. So this is the better option here. You might be obviously thinking that how much time will it take to complete all the certification courses. So rough time estimate is given here. HubSpot 2 days max, Google Analytics 1 day, Google Search 3 days and Google Shoppings 2 to 3 days. Now don't give excuses of not having the enough time. You want to be successful, do start now. It's basically a beginner startup course which is needed as a basic course for all the platforms. So hence getting the certificate and knowledge provides you the better information. Thank you so much. Like as described here, Google Ad, HubSpot and Analytics provide the free certificate. Likewise, Amazon Web Service also do provide the free certificate. You can go to their official Amazon Web Services programs and go and enroll there, sign up for free. Also, Coursera, Unacademy and many other courses successful online portals are also providing the basic courses and introduction courses for the various programming languages and many more. So by the way, LearnVarn is also a very good site that I have been preferring about, providing the very detailed knowledge about each and everything for free, and they will be giving the free certificate course. And for that you need to give a very basic quiz answers, which is a very simple and a basic fundamental. Thank you so much. Well, my personal opinion regarding these online courses, go prefer first SkillsUp, second Analytics Tags and third LearnVarn. I prefer moreover the detailed conversation and detailed explanation on the learnvarn.com. You can go there, sign up for free and get the free certificate. You don't have to make up the certain time limits or anything there. LearnVarn is a very good portal that in my point of view, and also the SkillsUp from the Google. Well, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, Please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. I'll be regularly updating the latest one.